know what they say, children are the future. And something big you can do to help kids and ensure a better future for the whole community is to invest in education. Davis School District has a bond measure for $475 million on the November 8th ballot. When approved, this bond money will be used to construct a new junior high and elementary, rebuild 2 existing schools, complete 7 major renovation projects, and address pressing needs throughout the district. This will help kids like me have more space to learn as the district builds new schools and expands classrooms in the areas of Davis County with the highest projected growth. We'll also have safer, more up-to-date classrooms in the schools that we already go to. In addition to the big bond projects, the district also plans to do smaller renovations to the AC systems, auditoriums, gyms, kitchens, track and field, restrooms, and even the big toys at recess. You heard me, the big toys! And these upgrades are happening all over the district in every part of Davis County. Remember when I said the projects were a way to invest in education? Invest is a word that means it makes things better for the future. So not only do these upgrades help kids like me who are in school right now, they also help the next generation to have better schools too. And the generation after that, and the generation after that. That's why it's called the Building Generations Bond. You can learn more about the bond, including a list of all the projects at dsdbond.org.